Look at it. Look at it. It is home. It is home. It is home. This is my home. Isn't it perfect? So this is going to be the official Disney World top. So whenever you see this top, it is time for a Disney World cocktail. I'm so excited to show you my shirt, and particularly to do this cocktail because it is one of my favorite cocktails, mainly because it's one of my favorite lounges in Disney World. In Animal Kingdom, the Nomad Lounge. Yes, Nomad Lounge. If you don't know where it is, that's okay. You don't need to go. I love this place because it's not hidden, but it categorizes itself as a hidden gem because not many people know about it. So I always get a seat at the bar, and it's so calming. It's so adult, but not too adult. You can grab a cocktail, but the food is amazing. Oh my God. Like, have you guys got the Wagyu sliders? Have you got the ribs? Have you taken the yuca fries from the sliders and dipped it into the barbecue sauce from the ribs? What? Yes. So good. Oh my God. Anyways, so one of my favorite drinks to get there, which is everyone's favorite drink to get there, is the Hightower Rocks. And if you don't know what it is so super easy to make. This is probably going to be one of our quickest videos because it's so quick, so easy. So just let's get to it, because I know you're tired of hearing my mouth and you want to put some tequila in your mouth. Let's go. Okay, so we're going to start with 2 ounces of blanco tequila. I can get it open. I am so excited. Okay. 1. Get in there 2. They use this, I think it's Casa Dragon or something tequila. I'm dying to try it alone. I want to try it so bad. Once they get it in my liquor store, Mama's getting that tequila. So next we're going to use 2 ounces of watermelon juice. This is freshly squeezed watermelon juice. Just took a watermelon, put it in your blender, zip, zip, zip. Just strain it a little bit. It's so good. It's so much better than any sugary crap. So freshly squeezed watermelon juice, 2 ounces. Well, I don't need, it's already pre-measured. There we go. Next, we're doing 1 ounce of homemade sour mix. Homemade sour mix. It's just equal parts lemon juice, lime juice, and simple syrup. That's it. Next, we're going to do a 1/2 ounce of lime juice, freshly squeezed. Do you see the pattern here? And ice. And that's it. We're not going to use it. Calm down, girl. Too excited. Too excited. All right. And that's it. Just putting everything together here, mixing it up. And that's it. Are you ready? Are you ready? Are you ready? I love how the castle's right in between the drink. All right, calm down. Let's pour a damn drink, girl. And here we go. Yes. Oh. Oh my God. It's so pretty. It's so pretty. Oh my God, I want to drink you so bad, and I can. Alrighty. Cheers to my shirt. Boop. And let's see how she tastes. Oh my God. Oh my God. Yes, it's so refreshing. It's so perfect for a hot Florida day. It's just, for me, you barely taste tequila. You mainly taste the watermelon juice because it's so fresh. It's already sweet. And then you have, you know, the lime juice and the homemade sour mix. And oh my God, it's just so refreshing. That's why this is one of the most popular drinks there, because for people who don't like to taste their alcohol, this is perfect. This is perfect. It's just a bit dangerous because you will think there's nothing in there and you're gonna down 3 before you leave. Calm down, girl. Calm down, girl. Perfect. The weather's getting nice in New York. I'm just gonna enjoy this. I have a little patio outside. I can sip this on my patio with my Mickey ears and pretend I'm going on a trip soon. God, I can't wait for it to reopen. I'm so excited. It's so good. Oh my God. Okay. Enough of me being weird. You guys, you make it, you enjoy it, and remember, cheers. Oh God.